Recently renovated home in one of Southeastville's most popular school districts. 4 bedrooms 3 baths plus large bonus rec room. All new carpet upstairs and new wood flooring down. New windows on order to be installed soon. Roof 2016. Extra deep lot. Property goes beyond back fence. Lots of new fixtures and other updates throughout home. Large family room down west/fireplace and opens to patio. Kitchen has lots of cabinets and great view of backyard. Spacious dining room and living room gives great options for entertaining or family gatherings. Great laundry room west/extra room for storage. New garage door and opener. Minutes from Redstone Gate, award-winning schools, shopping and parks.